Hey, you've just taken your first step towards something big. Imagine this. You've been looking for a way to change your life for a while, and now you've stumbled upon a video that could be your launching pad. My name is Simon Becker, I'm 29, and over the last 8 years, I've made trading my profession. I worked at one of the world's most prestigious companies, Berkshire Hathaway, founded by Warren Buffett. In this video, I'm gonna share my experience with you. How to start trading from scratch and figure out how the market works. How my community of 15,000 members and I work on the market every day. I share my trading decisions live, explain my steps, and help beginners avoid the most common mistakes. And most importantly, by the end, you'll learn step-by-step plan that could be your roadmap in the world of trading. Stick around, I'll show you how to understand trading even if you're totally new to it. It's all simple and accessible. Let's start right now. I've got something important to tell you. Have you ever thought how cool it would be to join a team that works daily with real market opportunities? Right now, over 15,000 people are learning and applying my experience by following my live actions in real time. In my private community, I share daily trade ideas that help you understand how to work with the market. Simple step-by-step instructions that are clear even for total beginners. The most effective methods I've developed over my 8 years in trading. Most importantly, access to the community is absolutely free at the moment. But opportunities like these don't last forever, so go hit the link in the description right now, subscribe, and start growing in trading. This is your first step toward real change. I'll see you in the team. Before we jump in, let's get everything set up. Starting today with 17, trade duration 1 minute, candle time frame 30 seconds. Adding these pairs, these, and mixing things up with the Cisco stock. And of course, our key assistant, the MACD indicator. All right, focus. Today's goal is not just entering trades, but executing precise analysis. Let's check how well my strategy performs. By the way, the MACD indicator is one of my favorites. It's like an X-ray for the market. It helps you see inside price movements, detect trend reversals, catch impulses, and most importantly, understand when the market is truly ready to move in the right direction. Markets can be chaotic, but if you know how to interpret the data correctly, trust me, this indicator is an absolute beast. All right, let's go, no time to waste. Everything's set, time to get down to business. What do we see? A clear uptrend. There's a small but noticeable correction downward. The MACD histogram has weakened but has not crossed zero. What does this mean? A temporary pause before continued growth. But here's something interesting. A bullish engulfing pattern has formed. A green candle engulfed the red one, and the next candle confirms the upward move. Conclusion, the setup is solid. Let's wait. And yes, textbook execution. This is just the beginning, so let's keep going. Moving on to the next setup. Switching here. We're going down now. Why? Look closely. A support level has been broken, a serious sign. The turquoise MACD line has crossed below the blue line. This signals a trend reversal. The histogram is in a negative territory, meaning selling pressure is increasing. Our decision was clear. Another success, MACD has not let us down yet. What a champ. But here's an interesting thought. How often does MACD get it wrong, or does it always work when used properly? Let's put it to the test with the next trade. Now moving to Cisco stock. Switch things up and we're going up. What confirms this move? We broke a resistance level and pulled back for a test. MACD shows an upward impulse, histogram is expanding, lines are diverging, plus we have a bullish engulfing pattern, green candle larger than the previous red one. Everything aligns. Let's go. It's such a great feeling when analysis works out perfectly. We're already at 120. Before we continue, let me tell you something. In trading, if you want to see consistent profits every month, you need an experienced mentor. Early in my trading career, I spent 3 years at Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. I had an amazing mentor who had me analyzing charts day in and day out. In trading, the key is to latch onto someone with big results and do what they say. Just copy them. That's 90% of your success right there. I'm giving you that chance right now. Every day I trade live. All you have to do is follow my actions, that's it. In my Telegram channel, I share all my trades, explain each entry and exit step by step, and show how you can get the same results I do. 15,000 people are already on board, earning every day alongside me. Now you can be part of that community. All you need to do is follow the link in the description of the video and subscribe to my Telegram channel. But note that access to my live sessions and signals is still free, and I don't know how long that will last. Don't miss out, subscribe now, start copying my trades, and let's make it happen together. See you on Telegram. Back to currency pairs. Oh, we've hit a new high, but something falls off. I see divergence on MACD. We're climbing, but the histogram is shrinking. What does this tell us? The trend is losing steam. A large red engulfing candle has appeared. The price pulling back to a key level confirms a great opportunity for a downward move. The logic is clear. Let's go. It's so satisfying to spot a market reversal before it happens and be on the right side. What's happening here? A strong downtrend with several consecutive candles. Candles with long upper wicks. This is a clear sign that we won't push higher. Also, look at the MACD lines. They are pointing downward, confirming the move. The setup is clear and the decision is made. All right, we're now at 438, a solid continuation. Cisco is back. What do we see? We've reached the key level of 58.84, an important zone where a bounce upward is likely. The MACD indicator confirms this. It signals weakening bearish pressure and the histogram is shrinking, confidently going up. It's so rewarding when your prediction plays out perfectly. Don't forget to adjust here, and we are going down now. What's happening? Just as expected, a reversal. The chart is confidently moving down. The MACD indicator confirms the momentum. The MACD lines are not only pointing down, but also diverging, strengthening the signal. Now we just sit back and watch. Once again, everything played out exactly as planned. We are at 1,618. Do you remember where we started? When the analysis is on point, the results follow. Let's wrap up the day with a solid result. Cisco again, switching here. Breaking it down. We bounced and made a sharp move back to resistance, but for a breakout we need accumulation and it's just not there. There is a high chance of a pullback or even sideways movement until the market builds up for the next move. The decision is obvious, going down. Perfect, 3,106. Now the only question is, how do we celebrate such a productive session? Once again, today's strategy proved its effectiveness. If you paid close attention to the analysis, you'll see this is not luck. It's a system. The key is cold, calculated decisions and discipline. Guys, everything you saw in this video is just the beginning. The most valuable stuff awaits you in my community. That's where I share the strategies I've polished over the years, break down the market and show you my moves. I do my best to make the material as clear as possible, even if you're a beginner. A lot of like-minded folks are already part of this community. Studying the approach, I believe, can help you better understand the market. Yesterday, we even did a detailed market analysis together. It's a great opportunity for anyone who wants to learn about the market and take action. Access to the community is still free for now, but this offer won't last forever. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment, join us and start learning about the market today. It's all in your hands. I'll see you in our community. That's it for now. Take care.